What's going on, everybody? Angel Santiago, your realtor here in Florida with the Santiago Real Estate Group. And here we believe that every family deserves a home that brings about peace, happiness, and prosperity. And that's why we do what we do. Very excited to be showing you here a 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom property in the Haines City area due to popular demand. So a lot of people have been asking about Haines City. Prices in this community are magnificent. And as we walk in, we find that we have a flex room. And here this builder is offering 18 by 18 ceramic tile in the whole first floor except for the flex room and bedrooms available here. Okay, this model starts at $360,000. Like I said, 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom. Cabinets are 36-inch cabinets. Countertops are quartz, and they do match the bathrooms, which is an amazing plus. The builder does include stainless steel appliances, stainless steel sink here in the kitchen. As we can see, it's very spacious. I do love the island. It's an oversized island, and it does have an open floor concept that includes living and dining area. As we come this way, we have the first full bathroom, matching countertops and cabinets. We have the first bedroom, downstairs bedroom. When we come this way, we have a closet, a bit of a storage area. And then here we have a 2-car garage with the garage motor included. As we go upstairs, to the right here, we're going to find the primary bedroom. Very, very nice size. The primary bathroom and the throne. It is good to point out that toilets are water efficient. Go green. We do have 2 walk-in closets, one on the smaller side, and then we have the full-on walk-in closet over here to this side. That might just be enough for my wife. As we walk out of the primary bedroom, we would have the laundry room. Another bedroom upstairs. We have a den area that could be turned into maybe I'm in a studio, maybe an office space, maybe a living area, maybe a family room here for the kids. Here we find the 3rd bedroom. And here's the last bedroom. Linen closet. And that would be another linen closet. Full bathroom here upstairs. The throne. That's also a closet here in the den. So we have 1, 2, 3, and the 4th bedroom to the left, and the 5th bedroom downstairs. Again, these models here in this community in Haines City are starting at $360,000. As always, this is Angel Santiago, your realtor here in Florida. Let me know if there's anything in the world that I could do for you. You can always contact me or my wife at 240-919-0877 via phone call, text, or WhatsApp. always here to serve. Let me know if there's anything in the world that I can do for you. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.